Hello, we are Carla and Alba, and we are going to explain physics in our daily life.
Have you ever think that our daily life is full of physics? Imagine that when you wake up in the morning, you are on a bed of nails, not in your mattress. Although it is uncomfortable. The nails don't hammer you because the weight and the pressure of your body is concentrated in several points. Pressure is the force exerted per unit of area of time divided the force by the surface.
After you get up, you have breakfast. It's very usual to remove your drink, milk, tea, coffee, with a teaspoon. Here we can see the centrifugal force, which is an inertial force directed away from the axis of rotation that appears to act on all objects when viewed in a rotated reference frame. Other example can be the spin cycle of the washing machine.
Following comes the funniest moment of the day, when you arrive to school. There we'll learn and study a lot. As well, in school happen a lot of things related with physics. When the pupils move the tables in an exam, when the teacher writes on a blackboard with a chalk, or your writes on a piece of paper with your pens, the friction is present. The friction is the force that opposes the movement of an object.
And what about suddenly you hit your open pencil case and it's fall to the ground? All the pencils and the pens spread on the floor, and your classmates are looking at you cheerfully. This embarrassing moment is caused for the gravity. The gravity is a force of attraction which is the responsible of a lot of phenomena that occurs in our daily life, like the fall of the objects and of important things related with the universe. The rotation of the satellites around the planets, the creation of the tides.
In the school, we can find a lot of types of simple machines, which are devices that can increase the force applied or change its direction. The little girls and boys of the school dining room use that simple machine a lot of time. It consists of put a very small ball of reed or paper serviette in a curved side of a spoon and take the side that we take. This simulates a very simple lever, which is a rod balanced on a fixed point that can help lift a heavy weight with less effort. The stairs are other example that we use all the days because they are formed for an inclined plane. The inclined plane is any slope or ramp that makes it easier to lift something.
In the afternoon, the students often do different extracurricular activities. The equilibrium is present in a lot of sports and activities that we practice. In a gymnastics equilibrium, when you rise up in a ballet shoe, a body is in equilibrium when the sum of the resultant force acting on it is zero. Other physics in our daily life is the inertia when you go, for example, in a car and it suddenly brakes. The inertia that it carries made that you goes opposite.
Finally, the end of the day comes and you go to bed. You solve it after life so many physics.
We hope you like it, our explication. If you like it, thumbs up!